Hey everyone, I am Antahane and welcome to my channel. Today, we're tackling a quintessential high school assignment and honestly, a super useful structure for thinking through problems even after you graduate. The 5-paragraph problem solution essay. Yeah, I know it might sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, this is a good one, because whether you're arguing for a later school start time or trying to convince your roommates to use a chore chart, understanding how to clearly articulate a problem and propose workable solutions is a superpower. And that's exactly what this essay structure helps you do. It's like a blueprint for your thoughts, a way to organize your ideas and present them in a clear, concise, and, dare I say, compelling way. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's break down this essay step by step. We'll go over each paragraph, what its function is, and how you can make your argument sing. Because let's be real, nobody wants to read a boring essay. Let's do this. First things first, we need a killer opening. Think of this as the essay equivalent of that catchy song you just can't get out of your head. You want something that grabs your reader's attention from the get-go. A startling statistic, a thought-provoking question, or even a personal anecdote can work wonders. Once you've set the hook, it's time to reel them in by clearly defining the problem you'll be addressing. Don't be afraid to get specific here. What is the problem? Who does it affect? How long has it been around? How much has been going on? Remember, a well-defined problem is the foundation for a strong solution. And that, my friends, is what we're building here. Now that we have identified the problem, it's time to discuss the solution. Your first body paragraph should introduce your most effective solution. Why is this solution the best starting point? You want to engage your reader and show them there is a practical way to address the problem. Explain how the solution works, why it is practical, and provide specific examples of its effectiveness. Remember, we are not discussing unrealistic ideas. We want solutions that are feasible and grounded in reality. There's a saying, 2 heads are better than 1. In problem solving, having 2 solutions is often more effective. In your second body paragraph, introduce another solution to the problem. This solution might be similar to your first one, or it might be a completely different approach. The key is to show that you've considered the problem from multiple perspectives and that there isn't just one way to solve it. Again, provide concrete examples to support your solution. By now, you might be thinking, 3 solutions? This seems a bit repetitive. And you know what? You're correct. We're not just repeating ourselves for no reason. Complex problems often need multiple solutions. In this paragraph, you can present a third unique solution, or you can explain how the first 2 solutions can work together for a stronger approach. Sometimes, the best solution is a mix of different ideas. Okay, take a deep breath. We're almost there. It's time to wrap things up in our conclusion. Now I know what you're thinking. Not another summary. But here's the thing. A good conclusion is so much more than just a rehash of what you've already said. It's your chance to remind the reader of the problem's urgency, the potential of your solutions, and leave them with a sense of hope, or at least a call to action. What can your reader do to be part of the solution? What are the long-term implications of this problem if it continues to be ignored? End your essay with a bang, not a whimper. And there you have it, folks. The 5-paragraph problem solution essay demystified. Remember, this essay structure isn't just about jumping through academic hoops. It's about learning to think critically, explore different perspectives, and advocate for change. Because at the end of the day, Whether you're writing an essay for school or trying to make a difference in your community, the ability to clearly identify problems and propose solutions is a skill that will serve you well throughout your life. So go out there, put your newfound knowledge to good use, and write those essays with confidence. You got this. And that's how you write a 5-paragraph problem solution essay. Happy writing!